Hello everyone, I'm Ami. A few days ago, I posted a video about prefabricated steel-framed ADUs made in China, and my backend was absolutely flooded with inquiries. Are steel-framed ADUs really the same as the traditional backyard-built ADUs? Which one is more cost-effective, time-saving, and risk-free for your adult housing needs? Today, I'm going to break it all down for you in one go, help you sort out your thoughts, and choose the best addition method for your needs so you don't waste a penny. First, here's a core conclusion for you to note down and stop guessing. Steel-framed ADUs and traditional ADUs are exactly the same in type with no essential differences. The only distinction lies in the ADU construction method. All ADUs, regardless of the type, fall into three categories to suit different ADU housing needs. Just find the one that matches yours. 1. Conversion ADUs. The most common type is converting your garage into a separate unit. Many houses in areas like Palo Alto and Logan Park are perfect for this, and the converted garage is ready for immediate use as ADU housing. Additionally, if your existing house has enough space, sectioning off a part for independent conversion also counts as a conversion ADU1. Detached ADUs completely separate from the original house. These are the backyard cottages we often talk about for adult housing. They occupy independent land and are for exclusive use, offering ultimate privacy ideal for families who want to keep their personal space. 1. Attached ADUs seamlessly connected to the original house. These are newly built, independent units. They save land space while complementing the existing property, boasting both great aesthetics and practicality, the top choice for small households looking for ADU housing. Important reminder, must read. No matter the type, whether prefabricated in China or built locally, all ADUs can be constructed as fully independent ADU housing units. They come with their own bathroom, kitchen, and separate entrance. You can also apply to the government for independent utility meters, water, electricity, gas, and a unique house number, with zero impact on the use of your original property. A lot of people ask, can I build an ADU on my property? How can I find ADU near me? Don't overthink it. You can build one legally as long as you meet two core requirements. 1. Your property has full independent ownership. 2. The new construction site complies with setback requirements, and the floor area is controlled between 500 and 1,200 square feet, in line with local California regulations for ADU construction. Next, let's talk about what everyone cares most about: what makes Chinese prefabricated steel-framed ADUs better than traditional on-site construction. They save time, effort, and money on ADU construction cost, and crucially, they fully comply with local California requirements for ADU construction. You won't have to lift a finger for the whole ADU construction process. Local contractors will come to your property for precise measurements. Then, our standardized factories in China will produce the prefabricated components. Once production is complete, the components are shipped directly to the site for assembly, forming a seamless workflow. Compared to the endless backyard construction, noise disturbance, and indefinite project delays of traditional builds, prefabricated ADUs save you so much trouble. Let's compare the actual construction timelines. The difference is crystal clear at a glance. Chinese prefabricated ADUs, on-site assembly. 3 workers can finish the entire ADU construction assembly in just 3 days faster than you can imagine. Traditional local construction in the US, due to differences in worker efficiency, the ADU construction project takes at least 1 month, or even longer, both time-consuming and labor-intensive. Our steel-framed ADUs use steel structures, which not only offer superior fire resistance but also help reduce ADU construction costs by qualifying for lower insurance premiums locally, saving you a significant amount of money in the long run. The current market reference ADU construction cost is approximately $43 per square foot. Calculate your budget in advance to avoid overspending later on. If you're planning to build an ADU on your property and comparing options, the time and effort saving Chinese prefabricated steel-framed ADU or the traditional local on-site built ADU, feel free to leave a comment and discuss. I will reply to all your questions one by one. Finally, let's wrap up with key takeaways. I'm Amy, and if you want more insider tips on ADU housing and ADU construction, make sure to follow us and check out our ADU video series. This ADU series will walk you through everything step by step. What an ADU is, whether your property is eligible for an ADU, how to build ADU legally, the actual ADU construction cost, the construction process, and all kinds of pro tips to avoid pitfalls. We'll help you sort out all aspects of ADU construction in one stop. Follow me for more ADU insider tips. Build your ADU housing without falling for pitfalls or wasting money.